Hello friends, I'm back with the fifth video of the Valentine week series, and today I'm going to show you a cute box of promises for Promise Day. It has a bunch of little envelopes in which you can keep letters containing promises. I have made 5 envelopes, but you can make as many or as few as you like. Links to all the materials are in the description below. So without further ado, let's start. To make the box, I will score, cut and fold a black cardstock paper as shown. Similarly, I will make the lid but using different measurements. Then I will paste pattern paper on the edges of the box to beautify it. Then I will cut 3 strips from a pattern paper and fold each of them as shown. Let me paste them together to make a long zigzag strip. Let me paste it inside the box. After that, I will paste a pattern paper at the base of the box. Then I will decorate the lid using red glitter paper on the inside. Similarly, I will use silver ribbon and frilled lace on the outside. Finally, I will paste a pattern paper on the top. Now, I will make a red envelope as shown and repeat the process to make more envelopes. I have punched out a heart from a silver sparkle sheet and will paste it as shown to seal the envelopes. Then I will paste the envelopes on the zigzag strip using double-sided tape. I will also paste the other side of the strip on the inside of the lid. Let me paste some beads on the top of the lid. I will also paste a pre-made decorative card on the top. And now comes the fun part, letters containing promises. I am showing a few different styles of letters you can put inside these little envelopes. Use whichever style you like. And if you need some inspiration for content of the letters, I have also written down 5 promises. Just pause the video and have a look. By the way, which of the 5 promises shown in the video did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you liked the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. More videos are on the way. Press the bell icon to get notified of new videos immediately. Happy memo crafting!